This is Finest 104.95. There's no randomising to do because you just pick your team. Here we go. So if there's any teams you like in that Clearly Authentic, I've just haircut them and you can go grab them. Other than that, I have burnt out something shocking. Thinking myself 13 minutes for this and a choice double is not the wisest solution, but hey, that's just me. And that's how a player's got to be. All right, good luck. Okay, I've stacked those wrong. Just making sure I haven't left one behind. Good luck. All right, Mariba. Refractor of Neymar Jr. Oh, that did not focus in, but it was just a Neymar Jr. refractor. Short tire, Lucas Susic. And the first auto is Buna Sarr for Bayern Munich. Refractor auto. And a blue Antoine Griezmann to 150. Buna Sarr unnumbered. Neymar, Reina, Zapata, Richards. Prize footballer is Neymar Jr. Laba, Pepe, Foden, and Pedri. Purple to 125. Nice start. Maggie, when do our Liverpool boys play? Silva, Lewis Muriel. And Joe Gomez for our boys, Liverpool, silver auto. I think Joe Gomez is better than Mason Mount. Kalulu. Silva, Hannibal, Finest Futures. And Sissandra to 250 for Club Brugge. International break. Cool. Pepe, Mason Mount. Prize footballers of Fernandez, Bruno Fernandez. Daramy, Gueza. Finest Futures, Garvey, that's nice. And Centurion, Ryan Giggs for Man U. Nemeka, Gomez, Davies. Prize footballers, Grealish. Moriba, Griezmann. Armindo Sieb. And a purple, Kaio George for Juventus. That is numbered to 299, 26 to 299. Oh no. Messi, Blanco, Martinez. Refractor, nice, Cole Palmer. And a blue, Mason Mount. That stings, number 28 of 99. The other auto is for Atalanta of Roberto Piccoli, numbered 34 of 99. And Silva Zola. Come on. Kalulu. Prize footballers of Chobolet. White Sox and Phillies left, then it's full. Ramos, Alaba, Pepe, Tim Weah. And a Tonali gold to 250. Moriba, Griezmann, Sane. Finest Futures, Kyle George. So that is likely to be, well, I'll probably put that ahead of it. Daramy, Mingueza. Prize footballers, Lukaku. I'll do Topps Chrome last, I reckon. Nemeka, Gomez, Pulisic, Refractor. And Hakimi, Gold Shimmer, 29 of 50 for PSG. That's nice. Oh, nice card coming up. Cole Palmer. An auto of Anthony Elanga for Man United. Congratulations, Man U. Silver rookie auto, Anthony Elanga. So no Liverpool, but that's still pretty nice. Mendes, Sandra. Rookie prize footballers of the lap. Looks like Maggie has to run the laps of Cherry. Tiguez, Jonathan David. Benjamin Sesko, rookie refractor. And a gold, David Alaba, 118 to 250. Rebiga, gone Carbs. Finest futures of Mendes, rookie. Hannibal, Gonzalez, and Conceição, prize footballers, rookie for SCP. Sieb, refractor of Kudus, and Armindo Sieb for Bayern Munich, numbered 114 of 175. And that is a nice little finest breakdown, 104.95. Fine and dandy, Alex.